In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back-to-top button to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic feature that significantly enhances the usability of your website, making it much easier for users to navigate, especially on pages with long content where scrolling back to the top can otherwise be a tedious process. Let's dive right in and walk you through the steps. First, to get started, you'll want to go to your Squarespace website editor. Simply log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the website that you are working on. Once you're there, you'll be in the main interface where all the editing happens. This editor is quite intuitive, and it's where you can make various customizations to ensure your website fits your vision and needs. Now, locate the button element on your page where you'd like to add this back-to-top feature. Clicking on the button will highlight it and open up various options. This is key because these options allow you to tweak the button's functionality and appearance. After you've clicked on your button, the next thing to do is to look for the Edit Link option. This choice is essential as it lets you modify where your button directs users when clicked. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu with various link settings will appear, giving you the flexibility to enter the specifics for your desired destination. With the link editing menu open, you should see a small arrow pointing down. Clicking on this will present you with additional linking options. This menu provides more in-depth navigation settings, which will include URLs among other link types. Select the URL option from this expanded menu. This is important as it enables you to specify the precise location on your website where the button should direct users. Essentially, you'll want this URL to link back to the top of your page, ensuring users can quickly return to the starting point without hassle. In the link settings, you'll now choose your website's home as the URL. This step effectively establishes the button's functionality to redirect users to the top of your page. By selecting home, you're defining the default position or starting point of your website, which largely represents the top. Explain to users that this simply means the button takes them to the top, streamlining their navigation experience by providing a quick way to return there. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. There's a Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the editing interface. Clicking this ensures that all your modifications are applied and preserved. It's crucial because any unsaved work could be lost if you navigate away from the page, leaving your careful adjustments undone. By saving, you ensure that your back-to-top button is live and ready for use by anyone visiting your site. And there you have it. An easy way to add a back-to-top button that improves your site's functionality and user experience.